What's up guys, it's me Larsa. Welcome to my channel. We are going to be talking about skincare, something that you guys love. Like all of you have been asking me on doing like a updated skincare routine. All these products are my products that I use on a daily basis, and some I have purchased on my own. Everything is Larsa approved. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's start with the products that I love and I use on a daily basis. The cleansers. I use 2 or 3 cleansers depending on my mood, depending on if I'm traveling or not. I have been using the Clinique cleanser. This is the rinse off foaming cleanser. I don't think you get this one in India or on Nykaa, but the one that you get on Nykaa, I'm going to link everything in the description. This is something that I picked in London, but it's great. It's like a foaming cleanser, but there is an alternative for this by Clinique on Nykaa, and it's great. I love Clinique products, and this is one brand that I actually trust. After Clinique, what I use is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. If at any point I feel that my skin might break out, or I use this one because this I think works for everyone and it's really affordable. You get it at any chemist, medical store, and it's super gentle on your skin and works the best. I don't really use cleansing item like this, like the Foreo. I don't use it all the time because I was using it for the longest time. I kept using it every day, but then I think it didn't work very well on my skin. I thought it's exposing it, like my skin is being exposed too much to products and to scrubbing my face daily. So I have stopped using it now, and I can feel that it's gotten much better and it's not as bad as before. But it's an amazing product. When you use this, I think advisable to use it say twice or thrice a week. I use it twice at the moment, but it's a great product. It's amazing for cleansing and to get your makeup off. But if you don't have like makeup on your skin all the time, don't go for this, but it's a great product. Now moving on to toner. I don't use a toner every day or every time before my makeup because I don't know, I'm bored to use a toner. I forget to use a toner, but for the past few days I've been using this product called Pixi Rose Glow Mist, and I brought it like 2 weeks ago and it's almost over. That's the bad side of it. But this product is so good because it has rose water in it, which rose water is basically superb for your skin as a toner, like even just rose water. And 7 flower oils. I don't know what flower oils, but it has some flower oils. Once you spray it on your face, it has like a very dewy and very moisturizing look to your skin. It looks nice and supple, and there's that glow on your skin like naturally. I use this on my flights, like even during the day when I need like a slight pickup for my skin. Although this can be a little pricey, so I have some alternatives that I used to use before and I use otherwise also sometimes, especially while traveling, because this can be pretty big while you're traveling. I use the Kama Ayurveda Pure Lavender Water. This product is so good. Again, this thing also gives you a very nice glowy effect and it smells heavenly. Like all of Kama Ayurveda products are too good. I love them and this is great. Even their cleanser is really nice. I didn't mention it because I haven't tried it, but I have tried it before, and I think this ranges around 300 or something, so this is a must-have. Get it. Now moving on to moisturizer. It's so important to keep your skin moisturized all the time. I usually need it so much because I have like combination to dry skin. I use the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a new bottle, but I have used 4 or 5 of these, and this is an amazing product. Very hydrated your skin feels once you use this, and you don't need like to moisturize it again and again. Clinique products are something that I definitely stand for and would definitely recommend. Very good on your skin, even on oily or sensitive skin. This is really good, but again, can get a little pricey. Every penny is worth it. You could go for the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Now again, this is available at any drugstore, any medical store. This is what it looks like. Although I'm not a very big fan of how their products smell. It's like there's no smell at all. But that's a good thing about their products. Clinique, for that matter, has no fragrance in their product. This is again really nice, and it gives you a very nice soft feeling after you apply it. It works as a really good primer as well. Next up, we have something for your eyes. Now, taking care of your eyes, like the skin under your eyes, is so important, especially once you cross 25. You need to take care of your skin. If you do not like to use products, you can always like not rub your eyes too much and be careful when you're removing your makeup. But apart from that, the products that I usually use is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Again, this is the formula is it's great, and it works. Estee Lauder products are also really good. One thing I like about this is that, or any other Estee Lauder products, is that it doesn't leave your skin feeling oily. Even though you put this at night, I usually put it like during like before sleeping. It doesn't leave your skin feeling oily, so that's one good thing about it. I have started using the Pixi Detoxify. Now this is a very cool product for depuffing your eyes, and I recently brought it on my trip, and I love it actually because it comes like these eye patches that you can just leave under your eyes and work or travel. Even like when you're commuting, it might look funny, but you can just like put it while you're working at your work desk, and you know, just feel really fresh, especially when your eyes are very tired. So this is amazing, or any eye patch for that matter. I am using this one, so I would recommend this because I love it. Now next up we have lip balm, something for your lips. I have been using the Body Shop Born Lippy at the moment, strawberry flavor, and I love it. It's so good and smells really good, and you know, you're not supposed to eat your lipstick, but I just end up eating it, and this is really nice, very moisturizing on your lips. It doesn't stay for too long though, and it's good, but then a little pricey because I think it's around 600 or 500 rupees per product. When I feel it's too much to spend on, I also use the Maybelline Baby Lips. I think all of us use the Baby Lips, and all of us have used Baby Lips at some point. I think it's great. It also gives you a nice pigmentation. Best one I like is the Watermelon Pop because it's nice and orangish red in color, so it leaves a nice tint on your lips. Again, apart from the baby lips, if I'm feeling too fancy sometimes, I use the Dior Lip Glow, and this is such an amazing product. I mean, I'm a fan of Dior and I love everything Dior, especially makeup. I remember getting this off my first salary because it's a little expensive, and also the product, I mean, the product that you get is very less and it gets over very fast. So that's the downside of this, but very good product. Again, the Dior Lip Maximizer. It's not a lip balm, but I usually use this on days when I don't want to do my makeup and just, you know, have like some lip gloss on my lips. This is the gloss that you see on my lips all the time. It stays for I don't know how long, and it's just there. It remains even after you eat. There's like a little gloss on your lips and it looks nice. I think I really love this. Now moving on to your arms and legs and your body and your skin, I use the M Caffeine Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter, and I've spoken about this even before, but I have been using this forever because I love it. I love how it smells like coffee and chocolate at the same time, and then when it's on your skin, it is a little greasy. It is a little greasy, I would say, but I like it on my skin, especially when it got really cold this year. I like it, but I think once it's summer, you can't use this at all. That's the only body butter I use. I don't use any other thing for my skin. Next up, we have something that's been introduced to my skincare routine recently. That's the cuticle oil. My nails usually have acrylics on them. Sometimes they don't, but when they don't, they look really ugly. Like this is what they look like right now, and I'm not very proud of it. But the cuticle oil from the Beauty Co. works well. Your nails look nice and manicured. Good for even home manicures. Then next up, we have something that's super important. That's sunscreen. So I use the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun, and right now in my hand I have the sunblock cream, but you also get this in gel format, so that's amazing because I don't really like to look very white. You know, when you put your sunscreen and your skin tends to look super white, and it's really weird, especially when you go into the water and then there's this very weird white thing cast on your face. So I use the gel also, but this is really good when I'm just putting my makeup. Sometimes I put this under my skin. My foundation has some SPF, so I don't usually put it all the time, but this is what I use otherwise, and I would definitely vouch for this because it's SPF 30. And something that would really help you if you hate getting tanned is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Absolute Anti-Tan Scrub, because this product is amazing. I cannot talk about this enough because once you get into the water, if you're tanned or whatever, you know, you've gone out, like you're on a trip, and you just come back home and you're like super tan and you don't like it, you just put this and have like a nice shower, scrub it all over your body and get rid of the tan. Like not the whole thing obviously, but there can be like some getting back to your original. It doesn't look as dull as it would otherwise. Now, these were the products that I use every day. Now, some products that I indulge in when I feel like I need to like pamper myself at home, or you know, while I'm traveling, in the flights, whatever, are like, there are only a few things that I use, but these are the things that I use. Face masks are always a good idea, and I love Mascologist London. And this is a very different mask I've used. It's like a gel thing that's on your face, and you should definitely get it if you get it here. I was sent this product, and this is the last one. So I don't know if you get it on Nykaa, but if I find a link, I'll definitely put it in the description from where you can buy it. But there are other alternatives that you can always pick from. That's Face Shop, and they're pretty affordable as well. And there's also Nykaa that has sheet masks. There's Forest Essentials. I love the sheet mask from Forest Essentials. It's great. I'm going to put all the links in the description. So please, if you don't get the Mascologist, because I really love this one, if you don't get this one, go for the one from Forest Essentials. Apart from that, I'm all about natural stuff as well. So I do a lot of natural like DIYs, like, you know, papaya, tomato, whatever. For that, I have a video where I have spoken about how I make some DIY skincare things at home. So you can watch that video. I'm going to put it in the description. So watch that. But apart from that, if I have to use something that's like something on the go, I use the Aryam face mask. So this is a product that has natural mud, sandalwood powder, sandalwood oil, and nothing else. It's completely natural. It smells good, and it's actually like brown mud. Mix it with water, put it on your face, let it dry, and then you wash it off after 15 minutes. You feel great. So these are all the products. Now coming to removers. Usually I use coconut oil to remove my makeup. It can get a little clogging for people who have oily skin, but like I've said, I don't have oily skin, so I love moisturizing my skin again and again. And once my day is over and I use coconut oil on my skin, it helps to, you know, keep your skin moisturized, and even like it works amazing for like an overnight product as well. Coconut oil is great. Apart from that, I also use Bioderma. Now this is also a great product, and this cleans up your makeup amazingly, and definitely watch for this one. Apart from that, when I'm traveling, I like to keep it very nice and compact, so I use a Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. So it's like Vaseline. The consistency is like Vaseline, and then you put it on your face, and then you just massage your makeup in and then wash it off, and then it's like you're using a cleanser to wash your face. Now that's about it. I have told you what my favorite products are, but there are a few things from these products that I travel with, that's in my carry-on while I'm on the flight, or you know, anywhere. When I'm going for a meeting, I have these products all the time in my bag. I make sure there's a moisturizer in my bag. Now this is a really big one, so I make sure I have the Clinique Moisture Surge, the small bottle. I have a moisturizer always on me. I have this mist always on me, either this or the Kama Ayurveda mist on me. I have a lip balm, either this one or the Body Shop lip balm. If I'm on the flight, if it's a very long flight, I have a face mask always. Well, that's about it. Good skin comes from good hydration, and also what you eat, what you consume. Make sure you have your veggies all the time. Make sure you drink a lot of water, and also you keep hydrating your skin because the weather is getting crazy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found my video useful, and let me know what your favorite product is. If there is one product that you cannot live without, and that's something that's always in your carry-on. Any product you think could be a great alternative for the products that I mentioned, I would definitely want to hear, because I love trying new products. Especially I'm getting into skincare now that I'm getting old. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it. Leave your comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.